I am really enjoying my double laundry hamper with a lid. I ordered two of these hampers for my closet, and they have a large capacity. I would say that each side of this hamper holds at least a couple of loads, and the bamboo handles give it a nice touch as well. And the bags on each side are easy to get in and out. Each of the bags comes with loops along the sides. There are four, and then they match up with four knobs on the inside of the basket. So, really easy to get in and get out. And I love that each bag that comes inside has a handle and it has a drawstring closure as well. So, it's easy to transport your laundry wherever you need to go. And I also like that these interior bags are vinyl, so they don't hold a lot of scent and they're also washable. In addition, the lid on this hamper keeps the dirty laundry smell away and it also removes the laundry out of sight. So it keeps your closet looking really sleek and put together. So if you're looking for a double laundry hamper that is functional and attractive, I 100% recommend this double sided laundry hamper.